This is how you can easily reverse a video in Filmora. First, let's insert a video into the project timeline. I'm going to click and then drag this video clip, and I'm going to play it a bit so you will know how the video look like without the reversing. Okay, it's just someone riding a bicycle, and I'm going to reverse a video so it's kind of is going backward in time. Now let's click on the clip and then navigate to the speed menu right here. Click uniform speed, and then you want to enable reverse speed. Just click on that, and you don't have to change anything else here. I do recommend to not change the speed or making it faster or slow down. Just apply reverse speed, and that's about it. So if you play the video again, you will see that it's going backward. So the cycle is just going backward, and that's basically a reverse video. But anyway, that's how you can make a video play backward in Filmora. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.